Hello friends, my name is Mahdi and in this session I want to talk about the meta tag. The meta tag is located in the head tag because the web browser interprets our code from top to bottom. Meta tags are different and differ in attribute, and we can create new concepts and meaning by changing their attribute. And meta tag is concept tag and the browser interprets them. As mentioned in the first session, the most important meta tag is the Charset attribute. I write this attribute for you. I close this tag with a slash meta, and now I write Charset attribute. Okay, this attribute specifies our coding language, which is the web coding language UTF-8. If we do not use UTF-8, our posts may be miscomprehensible on the web page. And this attribute is very useful and all sites use this attribute. Okay. The next attribute is the name attribute. This attribute is very useful. Alright, this attribute slash close this tag meta, and next I write this attribute. Okay, there are a lot of values in this attribute. The first value is author. I write this for you. We can use the author to write the name of the author of the site. This name is written in the content. For example, Mahdi. I save it, I open my web browser. If I refresh the page, you will see that nothing happened because the browser has interpreted. Okay. For example, I want to write a description for my site or describe my site. To do this, we can set the name equal to the description. Opening and closing with slash meta name description. Okay, and we have to write the description in the content. This site is for learning HTML and CSS. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see nothing happened in this page because the web browser interprets my code. Okay, and for example, We want to write the keywords of our site so that our site has better SEO. To do this, I set the name attribute equal to the keywords. Meta name, and I write keywords. Okay, and write the keywords in the content attribute. Content, for example, HTML, and I can separate my words with comma. CSS, JavaScript. Okay. If you ever see your HTML5 on another device, your tags may be wrong and your site may look bad. Okay, for this I use meta and name equal to viewport. Okay, and content equal to the width equal device dash width and comma for separate our sentences. Initial and dash scale equal .0. Okay, if we use it, our site not look bad to another device. Okay, thanks for watching. You can support me by subscribe button. Goodbye.